Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR Pad X8a, and today I will show you how we can wipe cache partition on this tablet. So to get started, you're gonna hold your power button and ignore if Google Gemini shows up. Just keep on holding until you have boot options visible. Sometimes this will appear over, so you can click somewhere on the screen and then select power off twice. Now when the device turns off, you want to then hold power button and volume up at the same time. And when you see the HONOR logo, you can then let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. There we go. Now after like 10 seconds or so, HONOR logo will disappear, at which point you can let go of the volume up as well. And you can see this boots us into the recovery mode. Now in here we're gonna select clear data, and under clear data you can see we have wipe cache partition. Click on it. This only takes literally like a couple seconds and it's already finished, so we can now select back, restart, and this will now bring us back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.